Hi there, you're in live with your mate JJ. Today is unboxing. We're going to have a quick unboxing. It shouldn't take very long. What we'll be looking at is this UGREEN Uno 6-in-1 USB-C hub. It's a USB-C hub. I got it for my MacBook Pro so that I can plug things in when I'm on the go. So we'll pop over to the bench in a minute and have a look at that, the out-of-box experience. Before we do that, I'll throw over the computer and we'll have a look at the specs for this thing.
Here we are on the computer, and this is us at Amazon. I'll just click up there, and maybe I click here. There we go. All right. So, actually, before we do that, this is the UGREEN Uno USB-C hub, 6-in-1 Type-C adapter with 4K at 60 Hz HDMI, 10 gigabits per second, 2 times USB-C, A, so USB-C and USB-A, 3.2 data ports, 100-watt power delivery for PC, laptops, phone, MacBook Air, iPad Pro, Galaxy, iPhone 16 series and more. So yeah, let's have a quick look at the pictures. So this is it. There you can see 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A, and then we've got HDMI. And this is power delivery over here. I don't know if that means that it delivers power out there or if it means that it takes power in there. I'm not sure. If you know, please let me know. I would like to know. So here we go. USB-C power delivery, 100 watt. That's a lot of power. HDMI 4K 60 Hertz. 2 USB-C at 3.2, and same USB-A at 3.2, 10 gigabits per second. Okay, connect to host, connect to external display, connect to PD charger, and external display and PD charging. Not super clear. Okay, so you can run HDMI over it. Very good. A 10 gigabits per second data transfer. Oh, there we go. Okay, I see. That's good. I'm glad we had this. So you can run power in here, and it'll run power in there. Yes, interesting. So it'll deliver 85 watts. That's good to know. All right. And, okay. So it's compatible with a whole bunch of things. Groovy robot design. Okay. So I'm glad we saw that one photo that showed us how the power system worked. This one. Yeah, that's good to know. All right. So about this item, Groovy Robot Design 6-in-1 USB Uno, a USB-C hub features 4 smart status emojis. Oh, okay. Unleash more potential from your laptop's USB-C port with 2 10 gigabits USB-C, 3.2 Gen 2 data ports, 2 10 gigabits per second USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 data ports, 4K at 60 Hz HDMI, and power delivery 100 watts. Start the USB 3.2 era, transfers files, movies, and photos at speeds up to 10 gigabits per second via the dual USB-C data ports and USB-A data ports. The USB ports marked with 10 gigabits per second can only be used for data transmission and do not support video output. Okay. 4K at 60 Hz HDMI. Simply connect to an external monitor via the 4K HDMI port of the USB-C multi-port adapter to see all in sharp and glorious detail. Please ensure that your host device supports video output via the USB-C port. PD 100 watt, that's power delivery. Supports up to 85 watt USB-C pass-through via USB-C power delivery port. Reserves 15 watts for other interface operation. Length of built-in cable is 20 centimeters. Broad compatibility, plug and play for multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux. The USB-C dongle is compatible with almost USB-C devices such as MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and so on and so on and so on. See more details. What more have you got to say? Features and specs. Okay, so it's HDMI, USB, USB Type-C. Additional features: fast data transfer, indicator light, plug and play, portable, powered, compatible devices, blah blah blah. 6 ports, 10 gigabits per second. Operating system, all of them. Details: brand is UGREEN. Customer reviews: 1,578 reviews with a 4.4 star out of 5 stars. 178 in computers. Okay, that's its ranking. So that's our and then you can get the charger. This is the charger, 65 watts. Yeah, all right. So anyway, that's enough about this. Let's jump over to the bench and take it out of its box.
All right, well, here we are on the bench, and this is our box. So we heard about this. It's got some emoji face thing that shows status. So it'll be interesting to figure out how that works. With the old trusty pocket knife here, we'll just pop the little plastic bits out. All right, so okay, what do we got? So this is the user manual. Very good. I wonder, okay, so we've got user instruction and user manual. Set appareil si recycle. It's in French. Fascinating. I don't speak French, but I know when it's asking me to recycle. All right, so this is the box that it came in. Plain old cardboard thing. This is the box itself. So hub connected, displaying. Oh, there we go. So hub connected with the 2 eyes. That's good. Displaying. Okay. Charging and displaying and charging. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 different emojis that it's explained to us here. Cool. And input is 1 times USB-C. Output 1 HDMI, 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A. Video HDMI 4K at 60 Hz. USB-C, USB-A. Theoretical transfer of up to 10 gigabits per second. Charging USB-C, supports power delivery 3.0, 100 watt max. Does not support data video streaming. Okay. Compatible systems, Windows, Mac, and Linux. The data above was collected by UGREEN under specific circumstances and in a controlled environment. Results may vary. The video output resolution depends on the laptop's video bandwidth, the HDMI cable, and the maximum resolution supported by the display device. Please refer to actual uses. There you go. Manufacturer, UGREEN Group Limited. Where are they based? They're in Shenzhen, China. There you go. We'll put that in the scrapbook later on. We're not going to need this bag anymore. So this is him. I'll take the screen protector off. Oh yes. Okay, so there, that was an indicative emoji. So there it is. I'm not planning to actually plug it in. Did you want to see it plugged in? Maybe I could run. I have to bring a computer over here.
I'm not doing bleeds. It's just an unboxing. So I've taken it out of the box. By now we know very well how it works. We've got the USB power in through here, HDMI out there. We've got two Type C and two Type A, all at 3.2 10 gigabits per second. I suppose if we just power that on, I was expecting that to light up or something. Maybe it needs this bit plugged in. All right, I'll bring a computer over. Give me a second. All right, so this is one of my MacBook Pros, and this is the Type C cable. So let's plug him in there. All right, and we've got charging. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. It's charging. Wonder if we took that out. Yes, then it's connected. So this is actually delivering power and it's charging. Fascinating. Yep. The little icon up here on the thing shows that it's charging as well. So that's pretty good. So look, I'm expecting it all to work. So I don't see any point plugging in peripherals or anything like that. We've seen charging and we've seen hub connected. Displaying, it's not doing. There's no HDMI output here at the moment. But yeah, I think that's mission accomplished. So I'll throw it over to the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. Before I take you over to the farewell cam, I thought I might have a look at these two documents with you. Let's do the big one first. Okay, this is in like every language except English. Oh, there we go. Indicator. Okay, so we've got hub connected. The HDMI port is displaying charging, HDMI and charging. Notes. So that's the four faces, and that's what they mean. Okay, that's good. The notes for data safety: please do not directly disconnect the storage device from this product. Before disconnecting, please safely remove the external device from the computer. Do not throw or drop the product or subject it to strong physical shock. Do not dismantle or fix the product by yourself. Please contact UGREEN after sales service if necessary. If not in use for prolonged periods, please carefully store the product to avoid dust and humidity. Please keep out of reach of children and pets. After sales, please feel free to contact us on Amazon, and if you need any support, you can follow the steps below. Sign into your Amazon account, navigate your orders. Next to the relevant order, select problem with order, and send your message to us via contact seller. Very good. All right, and then it's all in the other languages. Great. And let's see what it has to say in here. Okay, there's a FCC statement. It complies with the rules. This equipment has been tested. Complies with the limits for blah, blah, blah. Okay, fair enough. So I am going to scrapbook this thing. I'll keep that and I'll file these two. And that's all we really need to know is connected, displaying, charging, and displaying and charging. All right, now I will throw over the farewell cam. We'll wrap up.
And that's a wrap. So just a quick unboxing for you today. This is our UGREEN Uno. It's basically just a USB hub. It's got two Type A's, it's got two Type C's, you can send power in. It's got a gimmicky little emoji face thing. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to keep it in my laptop. It's for when I'm on the road with my laptop. So yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.